Hi everyone, this is Tish with today's Fit Tip. I don't know about y'all, but my workout clothes are an investment. I spend a lot of money, and so I want to take as good of care of them as I possibly can. So that includes the way you wash them. I don't know if you then you run into the problem of having those stiff clothes that are dry, but they feel like they went through like a cement machine. I've got a tip for how to get yourself rid of all of that drama. So when you're doing your clothes, put them in, and you're gonna only use a little bit of the soap. I mean, like when you're pouring the little cap, just use the amount at the very bottom. It doesn't matter how much clothes are in here. Only use that little bit amount. I don't know why people think that they have to use like a whole bunch of soap, but that's what's creating that nasty soap scum that like keeps your stuff hard. And then, if you want them to smell good, which is why a lot of people use fabric softener, I don't know about y'all, I like to use one of those like products that are like Unstoppable, or Gain has one. It's called Fireworks Sweet Sizzle. They smell really great. They don't ruin your clothes. It's just something that helps them keep like a fresh smell longer. So, that's all I have. Happy washing.